this kit. I got one of these for my uncle. He still hasn't gotten his Christmas gift yet. It's a long story. And then I got one of these kits for my husband. This all spruced up, all-in-one grooming essentials kit, valued at over $27. I think this kit is absolutely amazing and will make a perfect gift for a man in your life at any point of the year. Of course, I would recommend putting a more expensive gift with this, but I think just as far as like a filler gift to go with a more expensive gift, it's absolutely a genius idea. So I just wanted to go ahead and actually show the products that are inside of the box that you see displayed here. My husband opened up his kit, so we'll just go ahead and get started. Sorry guys, I'm kind of talking a little low because it is like 3 something in the morning, and I saw my husband open up his kit, and I woke up, so I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and film this real quick. But we have a full-size Vaseline Men Extra Strength Vaseline jelly, like a body lotion. It's non-greasy, heals very dry skin in 5 days. I mean, that's awesome. So I'm gonna put this back over here. Here are the 2 liquid IV packs. These are liquid IV hydration multiplier. You can just simply add these to water. They're an electrolyte drink mix, but they'll definitely hydrate you if you need some extra hydration. Here is that Arc Teeth Whitening Treatment Strip. Actually, it's 2 of them, one upper and one lower. Looks like they have a little card in here for Arc. Must be a coupon. Nope, it's just like an informational card. Trying to keep this box kind of intact. We also have a Dollar Shave Club shave butter, 1 fluid ounce. We have an Arm & Hammer little toothpaste, Arm & Hammer Complete Care, whole mouth protection in the scent Fresh Mint, up to 3 times more plaque removal. To keep, like I said, this box in order. I thought this would be super cool to share. Lay these down. It's the Virgo in me. Alright. And also what we have here, this Head & Shoulders Classic Clean Daily Shampoo. America's #1 dandruff shampoo. I was super excited about this. I just think, I love the packaging. And I definitely wanted to try this mouthwash. I know it's my husband's, but I am going to try it. It's TheraBreath Dentist Formulated Healthy Smile Oral Rinse. Fights cavities for 24 hours. Strengthens teeth. Improves their appearance. And freshens breath. Okay, and it is TSA compliant, so I think that's also cool as well. Reserve collection is a body wash, distiller's blend. So it says I guess the hints are Kentucky bourbon, smoke, vetiver, and American oak. That's real fancy. Lather and rinse, a rich elevated blend with notes of Kentucky bourbon, smoke, oh my gosh guys, vetiver and American oak. I love that packaging. Dove Men Plus Care 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner in the scent Fresh and Clean. And there's an Axe Apollo Sage and Cedarwood scent, 48-hour high definition scent. It is also TSA approved. Last but not least, Sierra USA antibacterial body wash. Yeah. So, alright guys, this sums up all the items that are in this all spruced up box. I think that was, again, a very great value. It's valued at over $27. Don't quote me on this, but I think it's like closer to 20 or somewhere around that range. But it is definitely a recommended buy. I would say for, again, the man in your life. All right, so thanks so much for tuning in. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Please feel free to comment below, and I'll continue to keep the content coming. You guys take care and be blessed. Bye.